In this video, I am going to show you how to set up Xfinity Wi-Fi Boost Pod. So the first thing that you'll need to do is basically go and plug the pod in near your gateway. Plug the Wi-Fi Boost pod into a wall outlet near your Xfinity Gateway and wait for the pod to power on before continuing anything. Once you do so, go and, as an example, open the Xfinity app on your phone, turn on the Bluetooth, and open the Xfinity app. Sign in with your Xfinity account, then tap on Services and scroll to activate more devices, and then select the Wi-Fi extender or the X5 pod. Then you'll have to follow the on-screen instructions, I mean. So once you're done with that, you will have to pair the pod. When prompted, of course, you'll have to hold the phone within 6 inches or 15 centimeters of the pod. Make sure to keep it very close and keep the Xfinity app open while it's activate the pod. The pairing process usually takes a few minutes, so just wait. After the activation, you can unplug an example then pod and move it halfway between your gateway and the area with the weak Wi-Fi. Then plug it directly into a wall outlet and avoid plugging it into an extension cord or surge protectors. Then once the pod is online, your devices will automatically connect to the strongest signal, and the Xfinity app may show the pod signal and location. So it can take up also to 72 hours for the mesh network to fully be optimized or to fully optimize its performance. So if it's not very at its best, an example at the start, so just give it some time, at least 3 days, and it will be optimized at max. And yeah, that would be it for me in this video. Thank you for watching and goodbye.